Hey guys, welcome back to my channel JJ Tech Decode. In this tutorial I will show you guys how to install Windows 7 and VirtualBox. So first please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So when you want to install the Windows 7 you need two things, VirtualBox and Windows 7 ISO file. You can download VirtualBox from Oracle website and you can download Windows 7 ISO file can be downloaded from Microsoft official website. First, to install the VirtualBox, I have already uploaded the video for complete installation of VirtualBox. Click the below link in the description for VirtualBox installation. And then you can download the Windows 7 ISO file from Microsoft official website. So first, open VirtualBox. Now click on new. Type the name of operating system you want to install. Look at here, Windows 7 Chonsat bit detected. Now click on hardware. Assign the virtual memory from my physical memory. I mean random access memory. So I want to assign 1 GB for this virtual machine. Now click on hard disk and assign 15 GB. You can assign 25-30 GB as you want. So I will assign 15 GB for this virtual machine. Now click on finish. Now start up port 1. Click on optical drive. Now click on choose a disk file. Now find your operating system. Windows 7 Ultimate Service Pack 1 English Xchonsat. Now open. Now click on start, normal start. So it will take a little bit time to boot from the ISO file for the complete installation of Windows 7. So the booting process is started. Windows is loading files. Now starting window installations. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Now language to install English. Time and currency format English United States. You can also select your country keyboard layout, currency format, language, keyboard or input method use. Now click on next. Now click on install now. Setup is starting. This will take some second. Now click on I accept the license term. Now click on next. Now for clean installation of Windows 7 click on custom advanced. This is my whole disk space for this virtual machine. I mean for Windows 7 virtual machine. Now click on drive option advanced. Now click on new to create a partition. I want to create 12 GB. So I will assign an MB 12,000. Now click on apply. OK. So my 12 GB of partition is created. Disk 0 unallocated space 3.3. Select. Now click on new, then click on apply. So I have created two partition. This partition will use for window installation, for complete window installation, and this partition will use my data backup. So select this one. Now click on format, click OK. Now click on next. So the installing Windows, the installation of Windows 7 is starting. Expanding window files, this may take 5 to 10-15 minutes to complete this section of Windows 7. Windows 7 is a product of Microsoft, released in 2009 for home user, enterprise user. Enterprise mean Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Ultimate, to complete the business requirement. So expanding window file is starting. So expanding window files reach to 96%, 4% remaining to complete the window file expanding. So copying window file, expanding window file, installing feature are completed. Installing update. Now the system will restart. So click on restart now. Do not press any key in this case. So Windows 7 installation is almost done, but there are some steps. Setup is updating registry setting. It will take some seconds. Do not shut down your system in this case. So this is the last step, completing installation. To complete the Windows 7 installation, after this step, it will ask for username, someone name that uses the computer. Do not press any key in this case. So Windows 7 installation is completed, but after this it will ask for username. So I will write username for user that uses this computer. So type username John, type the computer name PC1. Now click on next. I'm not right password, so click next. Skip the activation. Ask me later. You can change the time zone also from this drop down menu. I leave it at it is. You can also adjust the date and time, but this is correct now. Now click on next. Home network. If you are using LAN, you can click on home network. So this is the last step of Windows 7. The Windows 7 installation is almost done. This is the complete installation of Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. Now preparing my desktop. So this is my desktop. Now click on desktop icon, personalize, change desktop icon, check this one, this one, this one, and this one, apply, OK. Now click on close. So this is my alt desktop icon, my computer. So first format the partition that I was created in window installation. Click on start, click on OK. So this is my partition for data backup. Click on close, close. Now for desktop resolution, click on the desktop empty area, click on screen resolution. Now click on resolution and click 1024 multiplied by 768. Click on apply, keep change, OK. So this is the complete installation of Windows 7. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.